So good morning to all of you. In the last period, we have discussed how the management accounting helps for the decision making. The another point of discussion is information for decision making. So whatever may be the information used by the management for decision making, the information must have some qualities. That is how we can say that the information is ideal, qualitative, and the information which is used for the decision making must have the following qualities. So when the decision is to be made, at that time the information which is used for it may be have the following qualities. Number one is accuracy. The accurate information must be used for the decision making, because as we have considered that when the information is collected through primary data, secondary data, all the information is not that much relevant. So what information is relevant to you, only that type of information, that is accurate information, must be collected by the business concern. So every business organization must have some qualities of information, and that qualities must be taken into consideration by the particular person. कुणी आपल्या ह्याच्यामध्ये हात लावू नका, पीपीटी शेअर करू नका. So accuracy is the most important quality of the information which is used for the decision making. So right decision depends on the right information. So if the information is faulty, the decision will be faulty. That's why the accurate information can be made available, it can be selected, it can be categorized, and on the basis of it, that accurate information can be used for the decision making. Then a second quality of the information is complete. The information must be complete one, it may not be incomplete. At the time of decision making, when the management people are consider about the information, then it may not be incomplete information, half information, or inadequate information. The information must be complete one, and which can be available by the managerial people for the decision making. So complete information is very important for making the quick decision, right decision, and the decision which can be implemented in the business that can give the good results if the information is complete one. Then another quality is reliability. When the information is collected, it must be reliable. It must be authentic information. Authentic information means when you are analyzed, when you are interpreted, what is needed, what is used for the business, that is known as reliability. So reliable information should be used for the decision making. That is irrelevant or unreliable information can be leads to the wrong decision for the management. That's why when we are considering about the decision making is a important function of the management, important things are to be done by the management, then ultimately the reliability should be there in the information. It may not be faulty information, it may not be wrong information, so it may be correct one, true one, and which is based on the data, that is survey used, questionnaire used, or any other things which are to be applied for the collection of the information. Then fourth quality of the information which is used for the decision making is timely availability. The information must be available within a time. It may not be delayed. It may not be, that is after having some requirement, but the information is not available. As and when required, the information must be made available. The delay in information availability can be delay in decision. So some important things for timely availability of the information must be considered, and the persons, those who are doing this work, making availability of the information to the management, they are always clear about the timely availability of the information on which the decisions are to be taken very rightly or very correctly. Then fifth quality of the decision which the information is made available, that is the relevance. Right information, relevant information, then actual information, that is to be lead to the right decision. So if you are, the management is expected that our right decision must be there, then the relevant information can be used for the particular decision making. The misleading, that is information, irrelevant information can mislead the decision makers, because when the decision is made, the decision makers are depend upon the information which they can use, or how, what type of availability of information is there. On the basis of it, the decision is to be made by the decision makers. That's why the relevant of information is also important quality of the that is information which is made available by the business concern. Then it must be less costly. The another important quality of the information is less costly. It may not be that much paying the cost or spending the money for collection of the information. So if the information is easily available, it can be less costly, then there should not be a burden on the management. Otherwise, if the information is collected and the cost is to be increased, that is a huge amount of monies or expenditures are done on collection of much, that is the information, then it is the burden on the management. Management cannot adjust the financial activities if the information can have more costly. So when the information is to be collected, the management people or the persons can consider what should be the cost of collection of the information. It is no highly cost, it is that is a small, that minimum cost or medium cost information can be used. It depends on the sources which you have applied for the collection of the information. So easily available information, easily available sources that can be used for the collection of information, then it becomes the less costly, and the management can easily tolerate that expenditure for collection of the information, and the decision is to be made very rightly. Then up-to-date information. Information which is used for the decision making must be required up to date. It should not be outdated. Old information or the various years old information that cannot be used for the decision making. So quick decision must be possible on the up-to-date information. When you are using the information from the last 5 years, 10 years, it may not be up-to-date information. Use the information from last 6 months, and morely 1 year back information can be used for the decision making. So this type of, that is, the precautions must be taken for the collection of information and taking the decision. So accuracy, completeness, reliability, timely availability, relevancy, less costly, and up-to-date information if available, then the management can take the decision, and it must be a right decision or a quick decision. And the policies which are framed, the policies which are determined, that can be becomes very easy because of the such types of quality information. Then so if one by one we are considering the theory part of the management accounting, then ultimately till today we are considered what is the management accounting, meaning of the management accounting, objects of the management accounting, how the management accounting can help to the managerial people, and data analysis, data interpretation, data categorization. Then various types of formulas are to be used. The information can be presented in a such a manner that it must be in table, it must be in a diagram, and no information can be unreliable. So all these things we are considered in the first part of the management accounting. Then the last point which we have to consider today is management accounting versus financial accounting. So there is a difference. Main basic things difference is there in the financial accounting and management accounting. So as we are considered that the management accounting is one of the branch of financial accounting. So both are relevant to each other, depends on each other. But when we are go into detail, when we are go into